Okay, so you're going to start with your image and make a copy of the background layer. And then holding down the Option key, you're going to select to make a new layer, which will bring up the new layer. Change the mode to soft light. Click Fill with Soft Light Neutral Color. Hit OK. And then you're going to use your brush, the brush tool, and make sure it's black and white. And you want your opacity at 20% and your flow at 20%. You're going to zoom in up close to the pixels. And you're going to want a brush size of about 2 pixels. And you paint the light areas in with black. And then you can switch by hitting X to white, and you paint the dark areas in with white. So you're trying to even out the skin by just changing the density of the skin. This way you're not actually altering the skin texture. To make it easier to see the different densities, you can throw a curves layer on and just really exaggerate it. Maybe not that high, but just so it's like really exaggerated, so you can see, so you can really see the density differences in the skin. And that's just for now, so you could throw that out after your skin is all done, but it helps you see the differences. You can really zoom in, get right up in the pixel densities, and just play around using white for the dark areas and black for the light areas, just to create an even skin tone throughout. And I'm using X just to switch back and forth between the lights and the darks, to change from black to white and white to black and so forth. And if you're in a really dark area, like right here, you can always knock up the opacity so that you don't have to you don't have to work as hard to get those dark areas up. And if you're using a Wacom pen, the harder you push, the faster the results will be, if that's what your settings are on. So you just play around. See, I'm too hot right now. So you just want to even out the skin. And I'm going to switch back to black and paint this in. So this area that was bumpy is starting to look like the same skin tones. So I'm going to turn the layer on and off. And you can really see it's a long process, but you can really see the difference that it makes. So after you do all your skin, just throw that curves layer out, because that was just to help see the density differences. Okay.